For more than 40 years, SITE Group is a pioneer in providing tailor-made and innovative induction heating solutions. From the tiniest fastener to the giant slewing ring used in wind turbine, SITE knows how to accommodate its products to the most demanding industries. Wind energy is a very exacting application where SITE has developed the largest range of heat-treat machines. Almost 70 machines are now helping to produce a greener energy all around the world. Automotive industry, with its numerous applications for induction, has been a field of development for SITE. Transmission, engine or steering groups, most of the components require induction hardening, tempering or annealing. Obviously, SITE has developed unique process solutions covering use of protecting atmosphere, high-power density application or real-time process monitoring. Automatic lines, integration with production centers reflect the capacity of the SITE Group to offer today's solution for tomorrow's profitability. CNC access, remote troubleshooting, transistor power supplies are common features offered by our products. Today, the SITE Group offers more than just production solutions. We offer an international presence close to your production centers, a broad range of services covering day-to-day maintenance, eventual troubleshooting, but also training and technical support. With a presence in key countries, with 8 production and service centers, we speak your language and take over your problems. We also focus on the process, key of your attention. The SITE Group has incorporated a real tech center named InnovaLab. Part of our group, this competence center benefits from highly trained engineers and PhD specialized in all aspects of induction processes. Simulation, extreme techniques such cold crucible, plasma application are among our sphere of competencies. In addition, we continue to develop numerous partnerships with the industry, providing us feedback on market needs. SITE continuously spreads its knowledge throughout its organization. Thanks to the highly skilled staff receiving continuous training, we carefully listen to what are your needs, and we are aiming at one single goal: your satisfaction.